Okay guys, so we're again starting on silver charts. Yesterday we tried to make a push to the upside, which was very good at the start, but at the end it rejected and came back into the range, which gave us the same price action like the past 1 to 2 weeks, which is just ranging in that area over here. We don't have a clear structure on the daily time frame. For the moment we cannot say that we're gonna push to the downside or to the upside. But in that case, I will be using the 4-hour time frame, which gives us a little bit more information about what the market wants to do. What we can see from yesterday, we made the push to the upside, making a market structure shift above that swing high over here, which gave us two fair value gaps on the 4-hour time frame, that one over here and that one over here, the small one. With the New York Open, we didn't actually respect them and push the upside as I was expecting. We just inverted the fair value gaps, and with today's open we are making a market structure shift below that swing low, which again is just a ranging price action, but we are looking like we can take a short position for today because we've inverted that fair value gap, and until we are staying below it we are going to take only short positions for today. The hourly time frame is also looking not that bad. We are still in the Asian session range, and I am expecting a manipulation above Asian session highs before the move to the downside. So I will be marking my area over here, and I will wait for the alarm to pop off so I can take a trade on the gold if we make a push to the upside here with the silver and give us an S&T. Gold is looking a little bit better. We are still in the range and we still try to push to the upside yesterday, but we have 3 days in a row which respect that fair value gap over here. After that drop from last week, we've made that fair value gap, which for the moment is respected, and I will be looking only for short positions until we close above that fair value gap over here. So the day and the 4-hour time frame over here is also looking not that bad. We've made that drop to the downside, then a push making a lower high, and then another drop down which make a breakout structure below that low, and also some areas that are respected for the moment, that fair value gap which made our push to the downside possible over here. The hourly time frame looks a little bit better than the one on the silver. We've made a drop with New York with one open, which at the moment is giving me signs that the price wants to push to the downside and probably take out that fair value gap extreme over here and maybe test that one over here. And those will be my targets for today. So we have that fair value gap over here on the hourly time frame, which I would like to be respected if we make a push to take those highs with the silver and gold fails to do that, making an S&T. That will be the perfect zone of interest from where I would like to have some kind of reaction and the price inverting the zones and push to the downside. So that will be the idea for silver and gold. I will be waiting for silver to take out the Asian session high, and from there position myself on gold if we respect that zone over here. Euro USD, it is looking kind of tragic in here. Don't have a clear structure on the daily time frame, but in that case I will be looking at the 4-hour time frame to have a little bit more idea what the price wants to do. It is a little bit clearer here. We've made the open here gap. Monday tested that gap, rejected from it, making a market structure shift below that swing low. From there we tried to push to the upside, failed high, which over here is lower high, and another push to the downside, breaking the structure below that swing low over here and making that 4-hour fair value gap, which should be respected if you want the price to keep pushing to the downside. So at the moment what I will be looking for is those lows over here to be taken out today. And the same idea, like always, I will be waiting for the Asian session highs to be run out with an SMT and one of the pairs respecting a structure, so I can position myself for some shorts. At the moment, I will be looking for that fair value gap to be respected eventually if we have a push to the upside, and that order block over here to be respected. If we respect them and have an SMT with the Asian session highs, I will be looking for short positions. Great British Pound, what we have over here, daily chart as well as anything else. We are in a range, we don't have a clear structure. The 4 hour over here is not that good as well. We're still ranging over here. We don't have a market push to the downside, only that candle over here, which have 2 more hours to close, so we don't know how it's gonna close. It can push to the upside and close into the range, which is not something that will surprise me from that price action over here. So I will be looking on the hourly time frame for pound to take out Asian session highs and give me an SMT for the euro. Since we don't have a clear structure over here, it will be for the best to take trades on euro and not pound, since it's not in a good position over here to take trades. The 4 hour is not looking good, the daily is not looking good, only the hourly time frame is trying to break some structure, but we're gonna see how that candle over here will close. It can actually close all the way here and don't give us any structure. If it do that, it will be perfect, because it's gonna take the Asian session highs and give me the chance to position myself on the euro if it doesn't take the Asian session highs. That will be that will be it for today. I will be looking for short positions on all the pairs I'm currently making analysis on, with an idea that I prefer to take some trades for today on the euro and on the gold, because the price action is a little bit better on them. That will be it.